each and every member of this committee believed that you were lying.
Hindi po kami mga matitigas o ang puso. We are fathers.
Ngayon, yung inaasama-asama mo na makikita mo yung misis mo, yung mga anak mo, ngayon na sana. Pero wala na akong magawa. Sorry.
We understand how hard it is and difficult to be away from our family. We are fathers. Remember that. I'm a father. I have children. These lawmakers in front of you, sir, have hearts too. May puso rin po. And fortunately, ang hindi lang ho namin matanggap is that you are lying in front of us, despite the fact that you swore before us that you will tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. Therefore, we see during this hearing that you guys are directly lying to us. So what do? Our actions is to cite you in contempt because you're not telling the truth, wherein you swore that you will tell the truth, but you failed to tell the truth. So that's why you're incarcerated. It is your fault. Next time, Jel Mariano and the rest of you, if you ask for a file for a motion for reconsideration, tell your lawyers to ask for leniency. You should know that, di ba? We, like I said, hindi ho matitigas ang puso namin dito. We can understand. Pinag-uusapan ho na kung pwede i-release kayo, but what you did right now, this changes the whole perspective for all of you. Kaya nga ho, sinasabi natin this hearing, hindi ho ito kwento-kwentuhan lang dito. Patingin ho ninyo Congress. Hindi ho. This is a committee hearing. We're trying to find out and in aid of legislation that how we can avoid this kind of incidents para hindi na po tularan ng iba after your junior officers, hindi na po gayahin yung kapalpagan na ginawa ho ninyo. So yun lang ho, Mr. Chairman, paalala ko na kaya sila, because I saw that the way I interpret that motion for reconsideration is that you're saying we rush into judgment and gave that contempt. We cited you in contempt, General Mariano, because of the fact that you lied and you were under oath, so we can cite you in contempt. That's all, Mr. Chairman.
Yes, thank you so much, Congressman Tulfo and Congressman Vice Chair. Ay, nagtataas pa. Oh, sige, sir. Sige, go ahead.
Sir, again, Mr. Chair, my apology. Can I withdraw the MR filed by my lawyer so that not to cause because it is not my intention. It's only about our MR for the lifting of our. So I'm just asking for your general compassionate heart that I'll just withdraw the MR since
Mr. Chair.
Yeah, General
Thank you,
Mariano,
Mr.
it's ano naman, we can give it back to you, no? But of course, you have already filed this in the Committee on Public Order. We have received it, but I think we have to just continue with our discussion. Okay, Congressman Ako, please.
I do not know if General Mariano knows this. When you get a lawyer to defend you in any case, for all intents and purposes, that lawyer represents you. Now you are denying what your lawyer wrote in your motion for reconsideration. Yun ba ang gusto mong mangyari?
You can answer
In-engage
that.
mo yung services ng lawyer na yun eh. For her to protect you and for you to be able to exercise your right. Now, you say na hindi mo alam or hindi mo gusto yung ginawa ng lawyer mo. Is that what you're trying to tell the members of this committee?
No, Mr. Chair.
Oh, that is how I understood your explanation. Na hindi mo naintindihan yung contents ng ginawa ng motion for reconsideration ng yung lawyer. But you engaged her services to be your lawyer. How do you reconcile that?
Hindi ko lang po na-anticipate yung effect po nung sinulat po ng aking lawyer, but meron din pong kakulang nga po yung sabi ko po nga kanina that I will just asking for this honorable committee for to their compassionate heart that we will be the contempt will be lifted.
We will take that for the moment. Pero as far as this representation is concerned, I do not agree that you do not know or you did not believe doon sa sinabi ng iyong abogado. Because when you engage her services, siya na ang magre-represent sa iyo. Second, the protocol, insofar as the proceedings in this house are concerned, may magpa-file ng motion, may magse-second the motion, at tatanungin ng chairman kung may objection. At kung may objection, magsasalita yung lawmaker na nag-object. In the case of the motion filed by the Honorable Tulfo, duly seconded by the Honorable Paduano, hindi kami nag-object. And therefore, each and every member of this committee believed that you were lying. Meron kaming sariling basehan. As far as this representation is concerned, naglalay ka dahil ayaw mong admitin na maaga pa sinabi na ni Colonel Guevara sa iyo kung ano talaga ang nangyari. I would tend to believe o naniniwala ako lalo kay Colonel Guevara than your statement kasi yung statement niya ibinigay niya freely doon sa informal investigation na ginawa ni General Nartates in the presence of his two officers. Inamin ni Colonel Guevara na alas 6 pa lang, nag-report na siya sa opisina mo pero wala ka. At dumating ka ng mga bandang alas 7. If I remember the answers to the questions. Pero hindi mo inamin yun eh. At hindi mo rin inamin na may mga instructions ka doon na ibinigay. Which sinabi ni Colonel Guevara. Kaya mas naniniwala ako sa kanya. Because as a matter of fact, pagkatapos na maimbestigahan ni General Nartates si Colonel Guevara, umalis nga siya papuntang Thailand eh. Kasi ayaw niyang pirmahan yung kanya confession. Hindi naman siya pinersa. So this representation believe na mas nagsasabi ng katotohanan si Colonel Guevara kaysa sa iyo. That's why I did not pose any objection to the motion of the Honorable Tulfo. So, naintindihan mo na siguro yung kalakaran dito sa Kongreso. At kung magfa-file kayo ng motion for reconsideration, huwag niyo masyadong questionin yung aming kuwan kasi we try to observe our rules. Alam namin na pag hindi namin sinunod yung rules namin dito, ay madadala kami sa korte. Yes. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Yeah.
Yes, Congressman Rehencia, please.
Colonel Guevara. Anong class ka, Colonel Guevara?
Good afternoon, Mr. Chair. I am Police Lieutenant Colonel Jolet Guevara, PNP Class 2009, Mr. Chair.
Ikaw, General Mariano, anong class ka?
Mr. Chair, belong to class 1995.
Ito, this morning we have a discussion with our members of this committee. Ako po ay hindi nakadalo sa hearing noong nakaraang linggo dahil umuwi ako sa Mindanao dahil namatay yung tatay ko. Pero nanonood pa rin ako sa television. Kaninang umaga dahil sinabi na ni Chairman Dan Fernandez na tao lang kami. Mayroon kaming puso. Maski hindi ka nagkonsulta ng lawyer mo, mayroon ka na sanang abogado in my behalf kasi gusto kong kausapin ang mga kasama ko. Pero ito ngayon, anong nangyari? Na-offend na sila. Alam mo, General Mariano, minsan kasi yung abogado makatulong sa atin, minsan naman medyo madiin at saka ma-offend yung mga tao na dapat nating kausapin. Sayang General Mariano dahil ngayong sana araw na ito ay makaalpas ka na. O hindi lang ikaw, pati yung mga kasamahan mo. Dahil lahat na paraan ginagawa ko dahil brother ninyo ako eh. I belong to class 87. Kinausap ko si Chairman Fernandez, si Sir Acop, pati si Chairman Paduano, si Congressman Arrogancia, bukod lang kay Honorable Erwin Tulfo dahil wala siya kanina. So ito sana ang pag-uusapan namin ngayon. Pero ang nangyari, nag-submit ka na ng motion for reconsideration na talagang nagagalit si Congressman Paduano na offend si Chairman Dan Fernandez. So ako, General Mariano, I was incarcerated for 1 year, 3 months, 18 days, 2 hours, 47 minutes, and 36 seconds. Walang dalaw yan. Tiniis ko of the crime which I did not commit. Pinagbintangan ako na nag-ambos ng isang kongresista na hindi ko naman ginawa dahil walang sugat. At kung ako ang mag-ambos, tiyak, ubos yun. So, General Mariano, 30 days, dali lang yan. Hindi nga sa, ano dito, mahirap talaga isang ama ka. Kami, mga ama, may mga anak kami, may mga apo pa. Eh, gano'n lang eh. Sana kanina, sabi ni General, ni Congressman Paduano, ni Chairman Fernandez, pag-uusapan. I-study nila yung pakikiusap ko. Eh, sorry, ngayon, hindi ko na magawa. Dahil doon sa IMR. Nandito ba si Major Magsalos? Where are you, Major Magsalos?
Good morning, good afternoon po, Mr. Chair. Andito po ako.
Oh, yung tatay mo, kaklase ko. Kaklase ko, yung tatay mo. Tapos, sinayang ninyo ba? Si General Mariano, you are the chief of the Southern Police District, am I right? Oh, ang ganda nga ng buhay ninyo dahil nakaabot kayo sa star rank. Eh kami hindi. Eh kung hindi pa ito nangyari, last September, kung hindi pa nahuli ni General Artates, wala, panay ano lang natin yung mga kabuluhan sa ating kapulisan. Ilan lang yan eh. Ilan lang yan. Nadadamay lahat ang nagsusuot ng uniforme. Nakalimutan natin yung mga privileges. We climb mountains and hills just to reach that prestigious institution. Oh, na-memorize pa namin ni Sir Acop. Tapos bakit? Bakit nasisilaw tayo sa mga ganong paraan? Lahat naman ng mga tao ay nangangailangan ng pira. Pero wag naman yung galing sa masama. Mahirap ang karma. Hindi ikaw ang mag-suffer sa karma. Yung anak mo or yung mga apo mo. So ito ba? Sana wag na itong pabalik-balik na investigate tayo. Dahil ako, Major Magsalos, during the time na nag-travel na ako, tinawagan ako sa tatay mo. Sabi ko, gagawan ko ng paraan. Gagawan ko ng para makatulong sa inyo, sa inyong lahat. From General Mariano, yung 44 na nasali dito sa sigalot na ito. Mabuti na lang, diyan si General Artates. Ay, hindi sa pagbuhat ng bangko ni General Artates, he is a product of the Philippine Military Academy. Tayo naman sa Philippine National Police Academy. Huwag naman natin sabihan na kaya nga, nagkaroon ng kuminsan dahil ang nagkakalat tayo. Alisin na natin yan. Sana, ngayong araw na ito, si Sir Acop, malambot ang puso. Si Chairman Fernandez, mas lalong malambot ang puso. Yung sa katabi ko, si Congressman Arrogancia. Hindi nagagalit ito, pero noong nakikita ko sa TV, galit na galit. Eh, magkamag-anak kami dahil siya, Arrogancia, ako, Rehencia. Ganun ba? Sana, General Mariano, Ngayon, yung inaasama-asama mo na makikita mo yung misis mo, yung mga anak mo, ngayon na sana. Pero wala na akong magawa. Sorry. That's all, Mr. Chair.
And in addition to that, I just medyo naalala ko lang kasi last week I wasn't able to tell this to the body because I didn't see yet the GR number nung pinile ni Major John Patrick Magsalos kasi nagpetition si Major Magsalos sa Supreme Court eh. 'Di ba? I will ask Major Magsalos if this is true because you have sent this through LBC sa amin eh. And ngayon lang ko lang na-remind, I was not able to tell the body, but since we are discussing this matter, I just wanted to tell you that I don't know if he filed. Did you file?
Good afternoon, Mr.
Yes.
Chair. Yes, Mr. Chair.
So may GR number na to.
Itatanong ko pa po sa council.
O kasi nung
Mr.
pinadala nyo sa amin to, ang naramdaman namin dito, and ako actually, wala ako naramdaman kasi nga wala pa sa GR number. Now na pinurso mo pala yung issue sa Supreme Court, there's already a decision of the Supreme Court on this matter. And again, I took offense on this since na napag-usapan na yung kanilang motion for reconsideration. But itong isang to medyo mas mabigat to dahil nga pinal pa sa Supreme Court.